Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create this stroke style in the text like this, and this can be applied or can be your inspiration, let's say to create the opening video or maybe for your mini film and a lot of purposes. How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the CapCut, and here I am accessing it with my PC, and you can start to do the login first with your email, and you can click this create project. And the next step will be importing the video or maybe the picture as the base video or the main video. For example, I will choose it from this library, and after that I will select which one is good. For example, this one, and I will click plus until this video will be copied or pasted into this layer. And the next step will be typing the text. You can click default text over here and click plus, and you can also put, let's say, put your name or the film title, which one do you prefer. For example, I'll keep it to become default text, and also I will lengthen the duration. And after that I will also adjust the position, let's say here. And in this section, there you will see the text editing or the text section. You can choose the font style, let's say to become Bungi like this. And you can also adjust the font, which one you prefer. And I will start to scroll down, and you can start to mark this stroke, and also I will change the color of this stroke, or which mean the outline, to become white. And also you can start to adjust the thickness. And I will go back up to this section. On the regular font, from the white I will change it to become black. Perfect, like this. And the next step will be go back to the library. You can click this media, and after that I will choose the simple black picture like this, and you can click plus and place it into the middle of this layer between this text and also the main video. And you can also adjust the length. I will put it as same length as this text and this main video. And after that you can start to merge this text and this black page or the black picture. You can push your control or command, the control of your keyboard, and after that you can click this text, and after that you can give the right click and click this create compound clip. And after that, after this text and black picture being merged, you can go to this section and click this video. And after that you can simply scroll down, and you can click the drop down beside this blend, and on the mode section you can choose this brighten, and this will be the result, guys. And after that you can also play with this text, let's say give it the animation. For example, let's this merge text being selected, and you can go to this animation, and for example you can choose the turbulence, for example, or you can also choose the smoke. Which one do you prefer? So that's all, guys. This is the stroke style of the text, And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.